say freedom a little bit. Just the calmness.
We're expecting a giant blizzard here today, so we're gonna be snowed in for the day.
Just like 30 to 40 centimeters.
Just like
We got a dog!
yeah, Anna's been asking for a puppy.
Short leash. You do. What do you think of your puppy, Anna?
I love her.
What's her name?
I don't have a name for her.
So Anna's been wanting a puppy
No.
for a long time. She's been asking me every day.
No.
And then she's resulted into asking me if she could make a puppy with a boot.
Roller
or
skate.
a roller skate. So I found out this puppy at Value Village for $4.
Just kicks it over a little bit.
It's true. She loves it. Wade loves the puppy. Hugs it and kisses it.
Oh, puppy. Do you want it to be faster?
Pick it up and show us, Anna.
We got a dog.
Say we got a dog.
Dog.
Oh, mess in the background.
We gotta clean our house. We're expecting a giant blizzard here today, so we're gonna be snowed in for the day.
Just like 30 to 40 centimeters.
Just like a ton of snow.
Mm-hmm.
Probably the biggest snowfall we've had this
Sure.
year. So maybe we should clean, organize, send the kids out into the blizzard.
What was your deal last night, mister?
Oh, hurt your knee?
Oh. Chewbacca. Drew's going to get jealous.
Oh, it's okay. He says, what's wrong? It's okay. It's okay.
Where you going? Well, we are early on in the storm, and if you're a parent, you know how amazing it is to have kids. But when they're napping, say freedom a little bit. Just the calmness. Having 4 kids when the babies go to have a nap is just amazing. Then they come down, just wild animals. So we got Shay over there, just watching a movie. Anna's in the bath. Samantha is doing some sort of sewing, just waiting for this disaster of a storm to fill our roads and driveways, and keeping us here while everything has kind of lifted when it comes to our city. We're in level 2, which means restaurants, spas, gyms are open up to 50% capacity, and this is the first day, but no one is able to go anywhere because of the storm. So, a relaxing stay-home day. How many of us feel like Shay right now? Say hello.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hello.
Say I'm Wade.
Hey.
Wade. Look at me. Say I'm 2.
Two.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it snowy? Snow? Look at this outfit.
Style. I like pattern.
So, it's a snowstorm day. What are you looking forward to before you start school again on Monday?
Going on a date with you.
Going on a date?
Daddy-daughter date.
Oh. Now, on Monday, you get to go back to school. You excited?
But she isn't going with me.
Nope. She's going on her own bus. And Shay, you're going to be going to kindergarten next year.
But I didn't want to go kindergarten. I want to go to Anna's school. That's where kindergarten is. At my school. Oh. So you'll going on my bus? Going to kindergarten every day.
Would you guys sit together? On the
Yeah.
bus? So, are you guys going to be best friends at school?
Yes. Yeah.
Or, Anna, are you going to pretend to not know Shay when you see him in the halls? Sure. Anna.
Just kidding.
Anna, who's your best friend?
Shay and you, Dad, and Ethan and Ernest and everybody that I know.
You kind of forgot your mom.
Hey, Mom.
She's going to be so sad.
Everybody.
It's very clashy with his red. Oh, poor Spider-Man. Do a silly face, Shay. Do the silliest face you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Super silly face. Go. Silly. It's the same one. There, it's coming.
Homemade mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
What is this?
Pork chops with cream of mushroom.
Having applesauce?
What?
Pork chops and applesauce.
Okay, old lady.
Applesauce? For supper? Apple.
Happening in there. What's she doing with them?
Who knows?
Anna, you okay? Your legs flowing.
Yep.
Trying to get Drew to walk. Let's go for a walk. Come in. Made supper for everyone and everyone hated it.
Well, the boys are in bed. And Anna did a...
Should we clean up? Got our wine glasses ready for us?
Looks great.
Look around. Look.
Anna put the pillows out.
Yeah.
And she got wine glasses out for us. And wrote, "Enjoy, Mom and Dad. I love you, Anna." And there are 2 pictures she made today. Say goodnight, vlog.
Good night, vlog.
Well, thanks for watching today's vlog on a stormy day. I'm about to go watch my favorite event, the Royal Rumble, because I love WWE. I know, it's lame, but you might love Disney. I just happen to love WWE. It's not that different. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all those things. We'll see you in our next vlog. Good night.